Good morning, I'm Viti. This is Grandma's Kitchen, and today we're bringing you a movie-worthy beef stew and sauce. It's gonna come out with a thick sauce, really good, and it's also a very simple recipe. Don't miss it. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. 1.5 kilos of beef chuck, beef meat. 4 or 5 carrots. 2 leeks. Half a green bell pepper and half a red bell pepper. 2 tomatoes. 3 cloves of garlic. 1 teaspoon of thyme. 500 milliliters of red wine. A little flour to coat the meat. Olive oil. A pinch of ground pepper. And of course, the indispensable salt. There it goes, as always. I'll leave the ingredients listed in detail below in the text box, in case you want to grab a pen and paper and write them down. Let's go. We'll start with the recipe itself. We'll start with the vegetables. We peel the carrots and slice them. We want slices under 1 centimeter thick, like those shown in the image. Here we go. Once we have them, we'll set them aside. Next, the leek. We've washed the leeks well, and we're going to slice them too. Here we go. As you can see in the image, the leek will add great flavor to our stew. Come on, the pepper, diced pepper, half a green pepper, and of course, half a red pepper. A mix of incredible flavors. There we go. Cut into cubes this size. Let's add the red one too. We cut it. And like the rest of the vegetables, we set them aside. Like these. Come on, chop everything up finely. We're also going to slice the garlic, our 3 cloves of garlic. And, of course, we're going to set them aside as well. Come on. Relatively thick slices. It's a long cooking process that can handle anything. Let's continue. Last vegetable, the tomato. We're going to peel them and cut them into chunks. Alright, let's peel and cut them into chunks. Laughter. Did you guess? We're setting it aside too. We have the vegetables, so let's move to the meat and add salt to taste. Also add pepper to taste. We season meat with salt and pepper. Mix it well so the salt and pepper are evenly spread throughout the 1.5 kilos of meat. As you can see, the pieces aren't very big, because for this stew, it's better if the pieces are about bite-sized. Here we go. Now, we're going to flour them, and for that, we're going to use a fantastic trick. We use a Tupperware or a baking dish, put flour inside, and then our meat. Then we shake the dish, give it a good shake, and that way the meat will be coated with just the right amount of flour the dish needs. Here we go. You barely make a mess. It's easy, and this trick delivers great results. You can also do it with a bag or, well, with whatever you want. You see, it's a super simple way to save flour. Work, subtitles, and stuff to clean up. Come on, let's get started with the pot. A generous splash of olive oil, and as soon as it's hot, we'll brown our meat in it. We're going to brown it on both sides so the meat gets nicely seared. Just sear it. Once it's seared, we take it out of the pot and set it aside. There it goes, little by little. We keep adding the pieces of meat until we have them all nicely seared, nicely browned. To proceed with the next step, good. Next step, in the same pot, with the same oil, we add the garlic, the green pepper, the red pepper, the leek, and the carrot. We'll also add a pinch of salt. We stir and let it cook, letting everything cook together over medium heat. For 5 to 10 minutes until it turns golden and soft. Once it's ready, we'll add the tomato we've set aside. We stir it again. And we cook for 5 more minutes, and at this point, we're done with the vegetables. It's already starting to smell wonderful. Alright, after 5 minutes, it's time to add the meat back in. In goes the meat, which we've already seared well. We add the wine, we add the thyme, and enough water to cover our meat. Alright, we've got it now, and we're going to keep it on high heat until it starts to boil, and then we'll lower it to medium heat. We'll cook it for 2 hours, stirring now and then. As you can see right now, an hour has already passed and it looks like this, but it still needs more cooking. When the 2 hours are up, the sauce will be even thicker and incredibly good. Do you see how amazing it looks? Well, I can't even imagine how delicious it's going to be. Let's go. We keep cooking, and after 2 hours have passed, you can see the stew. How is the sauce? Is it thick? And this is how it should look. The sauce super thick, the meat tender and full of flavor. The best beef stew sauce in the world. Here it is, Riz Raz beef stew and sauce. Who wants more Riz Raz? This little piece is for me. I can't resist. There it is. Look how amazing it looks, how the sauce drips, and it's really good.